Let's now move on to South Africa. A decade-old case has gripped the country, the 2012 Marikana Massacre. The current President Cyril Ramaphosa is at the core of the case, and he has welcomed the latest proceedings. The families of 34 deceased mine workers have asked the court to hold Ramaphosa liable for the deadly response of the state law enforcement agencies. And today, the High Court made these observations. First, that the plaintiffs have not established how the president bore any legal duty to the tragedy. Second, the court made no finding that Ramaphosa was behind the killings. Third, the High Court said that there is no factual basis connecting the president, the government and senior police officers. And fourth, the plaintiffs say that since Ramaphosa was the non-executive director of the mining company, he owed a duty of care, but the court rejected this allegation. It is important to note that these proceedings were not a legal trial and no evidence was presented. The court was merely engaging in a legal debate. Let's briefly tell you about the massacre that took place in 2012. Workers had launched a strike against the mining company non-partisan. The mine was about 128 kilometers away from Johannesburg. But the protests soon turned ugly when security forces used lethal force to clamp down the protesters. In a series of protests, a total of 34 workers were shot dead and 78 others were wounded. At the time of the strike in 2012, Cyril Ramaphosa was not in government, but a businessman and board member at non-partisan. Allegations were levied against him. Surviving Marikana employees and families of deceased have two demands: monetary compensation and an official apology. But a case that has been going for over 10 years now, and a clear decision is not expected anytime soon. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.